Hey, peeps. It's Think About It Thursday. I don't know about you all, but I'm thinking about the holiday weekend. It's coming up on us. I know the 4th of July is on Tuesday, but in the RVA this weekend, there's going to be some barbecuing going on, some fireworks shows to go see. It's going down. We're celebrating. We're going to do it upright. So I was thinking, who has the best coleslaw recipe? Who has the best potato salad recipe? Who has the best macaroni salad recipe? Who has that old school best pea salad recipe? And I'm a native Texan, so I think I rule that grill and I can get that queue going. But if you got some special seasonings or some secret recipe that you want to share with me, you can DM me or you can text message me or you can call me. But I'd love to hear what your favorite 4th of July cookout things are because, I'm already thinking about what I'm going to eat. I hope that you all celebrate every single thing you love about America, your country, your home, your people, your freedoms, whatever those may be under the current political scene. But I certainly hope that you get out and celebrate because life was meant to be celebrated. We only get this one shot, and I say do it up. Make it explode, pop, splash, and feel good and festive. So hit me up. Call me, text me, email me those recipes. I want to know what everybody's eating, and don't be surprised if I crash your cookout. Peace.